is to reflect. To reflect is to learn to think and talk with others about artwork and your art making process, and then learning to judge your own work and the process and the work of others. So this is our reflection station. This is an area to go to when you think you might be finished, or maybe while you're in progress with your work. We're going to learn more about what a WOW is. WOW stands for Wonderful Original Work of Art. But if you want your work to be a WOW, you will want to come over to what I call our WOW Web, and this is a tool to help you with your reflection. You're going to start up here at the top. Is it a WOW? Your very first question asks, did you work on it for 2 class periods or more? It's important that you have engaged and persisted with this art. So you can answer yes or no, and you'll follow the path. If your answer is no, it'll give you an idea of what you could do to take your artwork to that next level. For example, put some more time into your artwork. What else can you do? If your answer is yes, you'll move to the next part of the path. Have you fixed, improved, or perfected parts of this work? Once again, you're going to follow along with a yes or a no. If your answer is no, go back and fix mistakes or peekaboo spots. Work on areas you're not happy with. If your answer is yes, once again, you'll move down. Are you proud of this artwork because it shows your time and effort? If your answer is no, you need to think about, what are you not proud of? How can you improve it? Keep working to make this something that you are proud of. Or perhaps this is a project that is just an experiment to kind of lead you into what could be a WOW. If your answer is yes, down the path we go. Is the artwork display ready? Everything is attached securely? Your name is on it? If the answer is no, you need to reattach or fix some things that might be falling off. Neatly write your name on the back or in the bottom corner. If all of that is true and you've done all those things, then your answer is yes, and we're moving right along. Have you shown the artwork to 2 other people or more and gotten feedback and suggestions? If you haven't shown your artwork to others, this is a great opportunity for you to understand the art world. Remember, we're part of an art community, and other artists are a great way for us to learn how to be better as artists. So if your answer is no, ask some other artists to take a look at your art, ask them to tell you what you did well, and ask them for some ideas for improvement. If they give you some good ideas that you agree with, it's a good idea to go back and fix those things. If your answer is yes, you've talked to 2 other artists or more, down the path we go. Does this artwork have personal value to write about in an artist statement? This means, can you talk about your art? Could you write about your art? If you have nothing to say about your art, then you may need to put more passion into that art. Do you have something that's interesting? If this art is something you've worked hard on, you should be able to talk about how you made it, what it's about, and the choices you made. So if your answer is no, does it mean something to you? Did you learn something while making it? If not, how can you bring personal meaning or a lesson to this work of art? Keep working till you do. But if you can talk about it, if you can write about it, and your answer is yes, our next question is, did the experience of making this artwork satisfy your interest as you made it? That means your artwork should interest you. If your answer is no, how can you satisfy an interest of yours in your art? What do you like? What makes you curious? Add these things to your artwork. But if it does interest you, on we go down the path. Whoa, this one's a long one. Did you pay attention to the space within the composition or around the sculpture? So here your answers could be, yes, I used my space wisely and thoughtfully, or no, I have large areas that are blank or ignored. Follow the path down. What else can you add to your composition? Check out our yellow composition poster for ideas and keep working. So right here next to our station, we have this big poster all about composition and gives you ideas about how to continue to fill that space. Can you add depth? making things look like they're getting further away. Maybe repetition. Can you fill up using the rule of thirds, can you help fill up that space? Making sure things are balanced. These are great ways to continue to use that space within your composition. But if your answer is yes, I use my space wisely and thoughtfully, following the path up, dun 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 dun, congratulations, you have completed a wow. Be sure to show Miss S to receive your grade. Think about whether or not you want to display this wow in an art show or gallery. So once you have gotten to this sign, you can bring it to me and show it to me. And now, if you're interested in putting it in a gallery, you'll want to take a look up here and see what galleries and art shows are available to you. Right now, we have 3 galleries: the Bryan Road Art Gallery, the Artists Gallery, which is right outside the art room for wow work, and then we have a seasonal gallery. Right now, we're in fall, so if your artwork is fall related, autumn themed, it could go in the seasonal gallery, and we'll change the season throughout the year. Remember, reflecting is an important part of being an artist. The cartoonist Scott Adams said, "Creativity is allowing yourself to make mistakes. Art is knowing which ones to keep. Reflection is part of helping you know which ones to keep." Have a great time making art.